Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the new video, and that is the already we have finished with the lesson number 8 body movement. Let us discuss exercise part. Question number 1 and 2 will discuss in today's video. Rest question answers I will give you in the PDF format on your WhatsApp group. So question number 1 is the fill in the blanks. Let us start with fill in the blanks. Number A, joints of the bones help in the joints of the bone help in the joints of the bones help in the dash of the body. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes? Yeah, movement. The answer is movement. The answer is movements. Joints of the bones help in the movement of the body. Number B. A combination of bones and cartilage forms the dash of the body. The combination of the bones and cartilage the combination of bones and cartilages form the forms what is the answer? Forms the skeleton. Answer is skeleton, right? Number C. The bones of the elbow are joined by a, very easy. The bones of the elbow joint are joined by a, the bones at the elbow are joined by a hinge joint. Hinge is the answer. And number D and last fill in the blanks, that is D. The contraction of the dash pulls the bones during movements. The contraction of the muscles is the answer. The contraction of the muscles is the answer. Pulls the bones during movement. Pull the bones during movement. Answers: first movement, second, third hinge, and fourth muscles. Okay, take the screenshot or you can directly write the answers in your textbook itself here. See page number 77, you only need to write the fill in the blank. Okay, but I have written all the questions as well. Let us take a screenshot of it. Okay, let us go for question number second. Question number 2. Indicate the true and false among the following sentence. From following sentences are given there, we need to indicate whether the statement is true or false. A very easy question. First of all, the movement and locomotion of all the animals is exactly the same. The movements and the locomotion of all the animals exactly the same. Yes? No. The sentence is false. A. False. B. The cartilages are harder than bones. False. The cartilages are softer than bones. So the statement is false. C. The finger bones do not have joints. Finger bones do not have joints. I can bend my finger from here, I can bend my finger from there. It means if there were no joints, is it possible? No. So the statement is false. Yes, finger bones are also have joints. So C is false. D. The forearm has two bones. The forelimbs. The forearm has two bones. Yes, true. This statement is true. And E, and the last one, cockroaches have an outer skeleton. Yes, we already discussed when we discussed gates of animals, cockroach. So we have discussed that time only. Cockroaches have an outer skeleton. So the statement is true. Statement is true. So in this way, question number 2's answers A, B, C, D, E. False, 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 true, true. Fill in the blanks and true and false. Now match the items in column first with one or more items of column second. That is the PH for you, homework for you. Try to solve. Match the I want you all have to solve the match the following by your own. And just try to send me. We'll check. And further, later I will give you the correct solutions of match the following as well. Now question number 4 is answer the following. There are 3 questions. What is a ball and socket joint? Which of the skull bones are movable and why can our elbow not move backwards? All these answers you will get in the PPTs which we have already discussed. Try to find out all the answers. If not, don't worry, I'll send it in the PDF format on your WhatsApp group. Okay. Only 2 questions we need to discuss today and that we have already discussed. Okay. Kindly note down all these answers in your copy and by heart it. Okay, learn it. Okay, do studies on time, take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.